To further highlight how Nigerian judiciary is compromised, it is only in Nigeria that IPOB is proscribed. That tells you a lot. IPOB exists in over 100 countries, and no country has proscribed IPOB. Even in Finland, where Onyeka was convicted, is not proscribed.
Even as IPOB member.
Onyeka was never an IPOB member. Onyeka, in the true sense of it, was a mole. If Onyeka was indeed an IPOB member in Finland, and Onyeka is convicted today, he's convicted in Finland of terrorism
that affected IPOB.
Do you think IPOB will continue to be registered in Finland?
No,
because if Onyeka is indeed a member of IPOB and is convicted, serving 5 years jail term for terrorism in Finland, and IPOB is still officially registered in Finland, that tells you a lot. That IPOB is not a terrorist organization, and IPOB is only Nigeria that's roguely, rogue country, rogue government that made Nigeria IPOB a terrorist organization. No that case in the world. That tells you a lot. Okay, look at it this way. For good, let me just say it this way. In 2017, we did sit at home. Nobody died. 2018, sit at home. May 30th, nobody died. 19, the same thing. 20, the same thing. Why is it that it's after Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped in 2021, sit at home suddenly turned violent? We've done 4 sit at home for May 30th. They were peaceful and nobody died. So why did this suddenly turn violent after 2021? You see, if you've done something 4 times and nobody died, why must it happen the 5th time, 6th time, and people start dying? And that was after Nnamdi Kanu rendition. We have practiced party politics in Nigeria for 112 years and we have not succeeded. Is it not time to try another strategy? You know, it's this wise man about Einstein that said the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expect a different results. We've tried political party for 112 years. IPOB is saying that we've tried this, it's not working. There's evidence that it's not going to work. Let's try something else. That's why IPOB is bringing to the table a strategy that will work. Let's come and sit down together and say, guy, this thing is not working. Oh boy, stay your level. I stay my level. We are neighbors. We can collaborate. We can do our own things. That is why IPOB said the only solution to Nigerian flaw is total peaceful solution, so that Britain will stop using it to their own benefit, so that indigenous people will start benefiting. So that is why we said Biafra restoration is the solution to Nigerian problem.